Welcome back. Come Eclipse Day, there will be something to do across central Indiana for people of all ages. Events will happen in people's backyards and a wide-ranging list of organizations as well.
Yeah, countdown is on. News 8's Danielle Zukoski shows you how Conner Prairie is offering a once-in-a-lifetime experience on this historic day.
Conner Prairie is focusing on family and kids when it comes to their solar eclipse programming to make sure everyone has something to do come April the 8th.
We're excited about the inclusive nature of what Conner Prairie can offer from a programming perspective, whether it's young children, adults who want to learn.
Conner Prairie is bringing in kids science expert Rick Crosslin, who will teach kids about the eclipse in a way they can understand.
Well, I can make these cool things and learn about revolving and rotating and have all of this fun because I think it helps prepare us for this event.
Crosslin has already seen multiple solar eclipses and says we can expect a big reaction when the time comes.
People are going to not believe it till you see it or feel it. I mean, can you imagine if we're looking to the sky and it starts slowly, I guarantee you there'll be a cheer, there'll be a countdown, and people will all just stand there in awe.
Conner Prairie is also taking a look at Native American traditions when it comes to eclipses.
We had the chance to talk about the ways in which the Lenape people would have experienced an eclipse then, how they would have seen this, the ways in which the stars and the sun and the moon were honored in these communities, and we're going to be really excited to bring that to life.
There will also be a real astronaut on site. Families can expect to hear from Mark Brown, a Hoosier astronaut.
If you want the full list of activities happening at Conner Prairie on Eclipse Day, just scan the QR code on your screen. That'll take you to our website, wishtv.com, where we have more information. I'm Danielle Zukoski for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook for updates.